Right now, we are offering a opportunity for clients who've always considered going with Acme Pools and maybe didn't think you could afford it, or you're not really happy with the service that you have right now, or maybe you have something going on in your world and the pool is just the last thing on your mind. We are offering a 1-month free service to have you come on board, see what we have to offer, work with you to meet your needs in hopes that we might be able to move forward in the future to service your swimming pool on a monthly basis, or make that connection so we can be your go-to when you do need something if you don't need our services for more than 30 days. We do offer a full line of products in our stores. Our technicians can discuss that with you poolside, so we will always be your go-to when you need something for your swimming pool or spa. So don't hesitate, give us a call. This is a great opportunity. You have absolutely nothing to lose. This is 30 days, no obligation. Give us a chance to get in your backyard, show you what we have to offer, and work with you to provide you with the best experience that you can expect for your backyard.